figuring this camera out. Yeah.
I'll run it straight up to the... I'll get the boat turned around and I'll back you in.
Okay.
At least that's the plan.
There we go.
Oh, little way, huh?
Yeah. Little guy. Yeah, he didn't hit too hard. He didn't hit too hard.
No?
He was just kind of on.
There's nothing else we know our plan of attack and we're trying to little guy.
Yeah. Whee! Oh, you got something? Oh, it's a bass. Need a net? Oh yeah, that's a... Sweet.
Customer for the flywheel.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Right off the back, right over here, Steve.
Okay.
It's on the outside of the weed.
Yeah. I think it's a little weedy up here, so... There we go. Perch.
Perch. Nice.
Bit small, you think?
What's that?
Bit small.
It's on the smaller side. Yeah, you can put him back.
Whee!
One bigger, then we'll put it.
Yeah.
No, we only got not a lot of it.
There we go.
Alright.
Is a little better.
One of the live boats.
Oh yeah.
Alright. Mr. Pumpkin.
Pumpkins are biting now. Yeah. Oh,
Might have been weed. See the bobber tip up?
wasn't looking now.
I see it tip up, so I set the hook, and I felt a little weight, but it's sluggish, that tells me it's weed.
Yeah. Yeah. Nope. You know, my casting distance with this one's gonna be pretty weak, but... Oh! Oh!
I have to slide that overhand balloon.
Yep. Oh, that's a good fish. Yeah. It's a real nice one. Pretty sweet. Jeez Louise.
Smaller, but it's feisty.
Yeah. What are you using? Clearly I need to switch. Or I can just see if I have something similar.
It's a Ned rig. It's pretty close to what you could kind of. It's like almost like a fancy jig.
Oh, okay.
And then I got these tails on it, and that's how they try to make it weedless and snakeless.
Yeah.
I got them. I'll just grab them out of here.
Okay.
Try that? Sure. Or you want green?
No, that's good.
Small bass.
Uh-huh. How small?
Out there. It's a bluegill. No, it's a bass. I thought, holy Christ, that was a bluegill. Just throwing it out there.
Okay.
You just want fish to tongue, right?
Yeah. There we go, finally. Does not feel big. It's a little bass. Oh! Popped up. Yeah. Not too mad he popped off. There we go. Another little one. There it is. Yeah, I still kind of want to see him, so he's worth a net. Dude. There we go. Starting to get some fish. I don't even care if they're small, really.
It's fun to fight.
Oh, for sure. Pike, don't break me off, please. Oh, we can. He's gonna. Don't break me off. Oh, that was so close. Got him. God, freaking. I can't even handle these little snot rockets. I need to get in the boat. Oh yeah, he broke me off. Oh my god. Alright, 1 second. There we go. That's weird. Ooh, got him in the eye. I think he was fair hooked. Whee! There's one. Oh, good fish. Good fish. Good fish. Oh, it's a pike. Shoot. Don't break me off, please. Don't break me off, please. Oh my god. Oh, let's go. Ah. That's a good slimer. I'm wrapped. Okay, back in the water. Get all that crap off him. There he goes. Sweet. There's a fish. Oh, it's a good one. Good one. Good fish. Good fish. Nice. I have no idea what that is. Bass. No, crappie. Crappie. Oh my god. Oh, let's go. Oh, big old crappie. Yeah. It's actually not even that humongous, but I can be excited. Oh my god. Oh, it's a slab. Oh, look at that. That one I'm pretty excited about. Still gonna let him go, but I'd be keeping that one if we were going for another fry. Ooh, that was a good crappie. I'm gonna go chuck a big lure by Dale's dock for fun. massive. Oh, big pike. Big pike. Oh, not actually that big of a pike, but a good pike. Oh, please don't come off. No. Dog, just come up. Oh. Yeah, boys. That's a good pike. Probably a PB, but I'm not gonna measure it. I can't handle pike for crap, obviously. There we go. Check out that slimy dude. Big mouth on him. Yeah, that's definitely a PB pike. Oh. Yeah. Ooh, I love pike.
Feels like fall.
Yeah.
We had summer, fall's here already.
Yeah.
That ain't right.
No.
Better not be right.
Yeah.
Is it?
No.
They call that the old cold front coming through.
Yep.
You haven't seen a fish all since. Man.
Yeah.
We're done playing around.
Hope so. There we go.
Got him?
Yep.
All right.
Oh, he's pulling drag. He's decent. He's good.
Yeah, you got a muskie maybe.
Or my drag is set really light, but
That's all right though. You're good. This might be number 2 there.
it's feeling like it.
Just remember, keep it front. You want him pulling against the rod. Yep.
My drag is set
That's
way
fine.
too light, I think.
You might have a muskie. You know what I mean? Or you got a big northern. Or whatever we got, right? The handle walker. That's awesome. Made the handle walker.
Oh, he's caught.
That's right. Just stay there. I'll back up. Just keep pressure on it.
Yep. Oh, holy! He's huge. He's huge. No, it's a giant pike.
Giant pike?
Giant pike.
Right. Cool. Oh yeah, Gene, way to go. We got number 2 for Grandma. Damn it.
Please.
We're getting it. We got it.
Yes! Holy crap! Oh my god! Oh my god! He's got a freaking lamprey on him.
Yeah, that's alright though.
Oh!
Kidding.
Yes! Oh, that is sweet!
That is a pike, man.
Oh!
That is a pike.
That is the biggest fish I've ever landed in my life. Oh, that lamprey is freaky. I'll get him out of here. Oh, these things.
Just grab them. He's
Yeah.
gonna get you. You know what I mean?
Yeah. They're just so. There we go.
Dude, you're shaking. Dude, you're shaking.
Bad.
That's freaking cool.
Oh my gosh. Jeez.
The fish I had on wasn't that big, just so you know.
Yeah. There we go. This might be an adventure trying to. Yeah.
Dude.
I just want to see.
Look at this. Just standing next to it. Wreck the gills, but he's going in the live well anyway. You know what I'm saying?
Uh-huh.
I'll send it to you, but is that alright if I send it to Grandma first?
Yeah.
And you can send it to your other friends and mom and dad and whoever.
Everyone?
Yeah.
28.
28, nice.
Should I put him in the...
Live well, yep. Oh, I told you 28 inches, you already fucking know. I was thinking I was sending it to Grandma. Sorry.
No, you're good.
I'll send the second one for you too. Took the wide angle too.
Yeah.
I won't put 28 inches on it for you.
There we go. I was making sure he was alive. Yeah, he had that lamprey on him. That's weird.
But, yeah, it is. But that's cool. There's got weeds in here, man.
Big time. Decent at that. Ooh, that is a slimed up lure.
Okay. You don't mind if it's
Yeah, that means it's been in the right places. Oh! Oh, it's a smallmouth. Oh, it's a bowfin.
Oh, bullfin.
Oh, that is cool. Oh, it's heavy. Oh,
I thought it was a smallmouth at first.
holy crap. That is sweet.